And here's Butters. He just went from the stage. Hey, my boy, did you finish your fish? Hey, my love. Look at his ear. If you can see, I almost don't have to take a photo of that. Okay, can you see his ear? It's not normal shape. It's got a little bit of a dent. I don't know if that's from when he was young. He had a little bit of an accident. He did have an accident with his tail when he was young. Still young, but there's a little kink in his tail. Hey, sweetheart. Hey, did you enjoy your fishies? Okay. So I'm just waiting for Angelica.